Rolling.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, and action.
What is a good nutritionist without an excellent salad recipe? Let me teach you my favorite one, the Asian cabbage salad. It's light, it's bright, and very filling. I love this recipe because you can meal prep and save for a week. All you need to do is chop up your vegetables, save them in an airtight tin, and make your dressing in a jar. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I'm using purple cabbage. They're a great source of the antioxidant anthocyanin, very high in fiber and super low in calories. This bowl has only 25 calories. Other vegetables that we are adding are green cabbage, carrots, and colored capsicum. Edamame is our power protein in this recipe. It's just young soya bean that is a plant-based superfood and has all the 9 amino acids. Feta cheese, toasted peanuts, and lightly toasted sesame seeds. Asian flavors in this salad come through its dressing, for which I am using tamari. It is a gluten-free soy sauce, easily available online. Adding in honey and also 2 tablespoons of unsweetened peanut butter, some rice wine vinegar, freshly chopped garlic, and a very small pinch of salt. We just need to close the jar and give it a good shake. Last step is adding in our dressing to the salad, ready to eat. Our Asian cabbage salad is ready. I promise you, it's as delicious to taste as it is to look at.